Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you the live demonstration or the live functioning of the feature-rich admin panel of our on-demand taxi dispatcher solution that is a complete Uber-like taxi booking tech suite. You can see the live demo of the customer taxi booking application and the driver application in the suggested video section. So starting with the advanced dashboard, you can see the total number of bookings, total amount of revenue generated, total number of services, total customers, service drivers on board, total number of reviews given by the customers, total number of bookings cancelled by the customers or the drivers, and total number of scheduled orders. Below that, you can see the detailed AI-based graphical analytical report for the data of customers, service drivers, orders, reviews, and this data can be viewed for any particular time range for daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. Moving on to the catalog section, here you can see categories, subcategories, services. Starting with the categories, here you can see all the business categories being offered on the platform. You can see the current status of the category, whether it is active or not. The category name. Being an admin, you can modify the action of the category, like you can edit any existing category, change the status to block, add a driver to that particular category, and here you can see the total number of drivers that take bookings for that category, total number of subcategories lying under that category, and total number of orders that has been placed till date. In order to add a new category to the platform, you just have to click on the add category button. Now you can fill in all the attributes such as the category name, set the booking flow, seating capacity, whether it is manual assignment or not, and set all the attributes as per your preferences. Upload an image for the category and save your preferences. Moving on to the subcategory section, here you can see all the subcategories that belong to any particular category. So like if you select a category, pickup delivery, here will appear all the subcategories that belong to the pickup delivery category. So being an admin, you can change the status of the subcategory, change or update its ranking on the basis of which it would be displayed on the customer application, set the admin charges, modify the actions, like you can update any existing subcategory, and you can set the images, you can set the ranking, set the admin charges percentage, set the base price, and update the same. Likewise, you can add a new subcategory by clicking on the add subcategory button. Now you can select the category under which that subcategory would be added. Like if I want to add a subcategory to the pickup delivery category, so I'll click on the same. Now you can set the subcategory name, upload the image for the same, set the ranking, set the admin charges percentage and base price, and click on add subcategory button. Similarly, you can see in the services section all the services that belong to any subcategory on a particular category. You can see the current status, the category to which it belongs, the subcategory, the service name, its value, price per distance, price per minute, seating capacity. You can change or update the actions, like you can update the service by clicking on the update button. Now you can set the name, upload the images, enter the description, set the ranking, set the attributes such as minimum price, base price, price per distance, price per minute, cancellation fee, cancellation time, waiting charges, etc., and update the same. Likewise, you can filter the data depending upon the status, depending upon the category, and you can search for any service by entering the service name and click on filter results. In order to add a service to the platform, you just have to click on the add service button. Now you can select the category, select the subcategory, enter the name of the service, enter the description, set the ranking, enter the waiting charges, base charges, price per distance, long distance pickup, price per minute, and all the attributes, and you can set the same as per your choice. Moving forward to the payment section, here you can see the service payments and driver payouts. So in the service payment section, you can see the complete data of the payments that have been completed by card and the payments that have been completed through cash on delivery orders. Here you can see the complete payment details such as the order status, the payment type, the username, transaction ID, total amount, admin fee, category, subcategory, receiver, and you can see the booking details by clicking on the booking detail button. So here you can view the complete booking details like the status, the booking type, the timing, pickup location, drop off location, and the date and time on which the booking was placed on. So this data can be filtered depending upon the booking status, like whether it is completed, pending, failed or cancelled, the payment type, and this data can be downloaded in the CSV format by clicking on the download report button. Likewise, in the driver's payout request, you can see the complete payment details for the delivery agents or the drivers. You can see the current status of the driver, whether he is active or not, the driver name, his phone number, the total charges, admin charges, driver earning, total amount paid, the tip charges. Being an admin, you can modify or change the actions, such as you can pay the money on the payout request generated by the driver, deduct money from his account, check the payment history or block the driver's profile. Moving forward to the driver section, here you can manage the complete data of all the drivers that are on board on the driver application. You can see their current status, their approval status, the balance in their wallet, their online or offline status. You can see the driver name, their phone number. Being an admin, you can modify the actions on their profile, such as you can add and verify their documents such as license, their registration details, track the current location of the driver on the Google Maps, view their wallet details, update or manage their profile, block their account, or unapprove or delete their profile from the platform. You can filter the driver's data depending upon their current status, their approval status, their online and offline status, and the service type. You can also update their minimum wallet balance. And here you can see the current location of all the drivers that are registered on the application, like where they are currently located. Moving forward to the customer section, here you can see the complete data of all the customers that have registered on the customer application. You can see their current status, their approval status, the customer details such as their name, their phone number, their balance, their profile picture. You can update or change their profile or account details by clicking on the action button. Now you can see the total orders or the total bookings they have placed till now. You can update their profile, view their wallet details, view their reviews they have given till now. You can block, approve or delete their profile. You can filter the data for all the customers depending upon their current status. You can search for any customer by entering their name, email or phone number and filter the results. And you can download the complete data in the CSV format by clicking on the download report button. Moving forward to the booking section, here you can see the complete booking details such as the booking status, customer details, their name, their phone number, the timing on which the booking was placed on, the pickup and drop off location, the category, subcategory, service type chosen, payment, booking types, payment type, payment status. And in order to view any booking details, you can click on the booking details button, and now you can view everything in detail. The data for the bookings can be filtered depending upon the order status, depending upon the service type, and the data is downloadable in the CSV format by clicking on the download report button. Now let's come to the review section. Being an admin, you can view the reviews or the ratings or the comments that are given by the customer to any particular driver or any service type. So analyzing the same, you can change, upgrade the same in order to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. So here you can see the customer details, the ratings they have given, the comments they have left, and in order to view the same in detail, you can click on the booking details button and you can see the ratings and reviews in detail from here. Now coming to the sub-admin section, being an admin, you have the access or the authority to assign or add a sub-admin so that they have different permissions to access the platform. So here you can see a list of all the sub-admins that are already added on the platform. You can manage their actions, such as you can manage their permissions, like to which all features or the functionalities that sub-admin has the access to. Like you can see this sub-admin has the access to only packages. So you can also grant him different permissions like the access to dashboard, access to change or update the settings, manage service types, manage payments, manage the customer data, manage the bookings, manage ratings and reviews, manage the content, manage the driver data, and update their permissions. Also, you can add a new sub-admin to the platform by clicking on the Add Sub-admin button. And from here, you can enter the attributes such as the sub-admin name, the job. You can enter the email and password and phone number, and clicking on the Add Sub-admin and the credentials would be sent on their email. Moving forward to the settings section, you can add or update the promo codes. Like here you can see there are 3 different promo codes that are currently being offered on the customer application. You can modify their actions by clicking on the action button and further selecting the update button. So here you can see the complete details of this particular coupon code, like what is the coupon value, the validity, maximum discount allowed, the minimum price, the maximum rights allowed to a user. Also, you can add a new promo code by clicking on the Add Promo Codes button. Now you can enter the coupon code name, set the coupon type on the percentage or the value basis, enter the coupon value, set its validity, enter the minimum price, maximum discount, and maximum rights allowed to a user. Also, you can grant or allow a promo code to any specific user by selecting users from here, and you can save your preferences. In the general settings button, you can update or change all the settings. Like you can set the admin login page image, you can set the walkthrough images, select the primary color, secondary color as per your own choice. Likewise, you can manage different features. You can set the search percentage, you can set the payment gateways, you can set the waiting charges or anything that is displayed, and you can set this as per your own choice. Likewise, you can set the driver registration modules and user registration modules and app forums. In the content pages section, you can change or update the content that would be displayed in the terms and conditions section, privacy policy section, about us section, or the frequently asked questions section. From the send notification section, you can send an instant or push notification or an email to all the customers, to all drivers, or to both the customer and drivers. For that, you just have to enter the notification title and any content that you want to display and click on submit button. As soon as you click on the submit button, the notification would be sent to the customers or the drivers on the tap of a single click. Likewise, you can manage the support section. So this was a complete overview of the advanced taxi dispatcher solution that we provide. You can also add different payment gateways or add any number of features that you want to the same. So this was a complete overview or the live demonstration of our taxi dispatcher solution. Also, you can add different payment gateways. You can integrate different sign up or login methods for both the customer taxi booking application and the driver application. And you can also add any number of features that you want to add to the same. So thanks for watching our video.